out that we were pregnant with Mason around April 2009. We had been trying for only a couple months, and we finally got a positive pregnancy test. We were very excited. Well, the day we brought our baby Mason home, we had been in the hospital for 3 days, and we packed him up in his teeny tiny little car seat, in his little dinosaur hoodie with his matching beanie, and we were just so excited to start this new adventure, being parents of 2 little boys. Well, it was a crazy day. It was September 26th of 2011. And Mason was 9 months old, and I got a call from the doctor that had done all the tests, and they told me I had infiltrating ductal carcinoma, which to me was a different language. I had no idea what she meant, and so she had to break it down and say, well, Jessica, you have cancer.
I was with her when she received the phone call from the doctor that gave her the results. You know, I knew the conversation wasn't positive, and when she hung up, she looked at me, and as she broke down, she told me she had breast cancer.
You know, I was 30 years old, I was healthy, I had a 9-month-old baby, I was breastfeeding, I had a 2.5-year-old.
You know, you don't expect your child to tell you that they have cancer. You know, it's just not supposed to work that way.
Treatment was the first thing I thought of, how to get rid of this cancer and get it out of my body. I did change my diet, I did do surgery and chemo and radiation, and thank God I did, because I'm here today. Well, we first learned about life insurance through a really close family friend who is an agent. When I started going through treatments, through the chemo and the radiation, my agent came to me and said, look, we might be able to help you out here with your accelerated benefits and get you some money to help pay for medical bills. And he was definitely right. We helped with all of my medical bills, and we really got to focus on me getting better instead of having the heavy burden of financial stress.
Well, I just really never understood the power and flexibility of life insurance until the day that Jessica and Anthony received their living benefits check from National Life. And it just totally changed, you know, their financial outlook.
My motto is, live a life you love. So when I first got diagnosed with cancer, my husband Anthony bought 1,000 pink bracelets that said my motto on it, live a life you love. So you still wear it today. The more you open your eyes to love and let it flow in your life, the better life is going to be.
I'm just so grateful that Jessica was responsible and got life insurance, that the agent, you know, was generous and sold Jessica this, you know, abundant policy, that National Life had the integrity and came through on their end of the deal, and that God answered all of our prayers.
Well, my advice to people who think they're too young for life insurance is that you're never too young for life insurance. It's not just in case you die, it's to live a life that you love.